Possibly that sexual wanting does not map onto sexual liking in the way that we might intuitively suppose it would. You might intuitively suppose if you crave and want something intensely, you will like it to the same degree. Conversely, if you don't want something very much, you might not, when you get it, actually like it very much. But there is that disassociation between liking and wanting. That might come as a surprise. To some people, I guess, it might come as a surprise that I actually talk about sexual addiction in the same sort of way in which I talk about drug addiction. I think some people would treat it as a bit of a joke, the idea of sexual addiction. Oh God, yeah, of course he's sexually addicted. Oh, we all knew that. He's a good lad though. This is not what we're talking about. We're talking about the person that is very seriously conflicted in their life. It's not just a person that has an intense enjoyment of sex. It's the person who is frequenting brothels or porno cinemas or getting caught out watching porn, illegal porn, and would rather not be doing it, and knows he shouldn't be, and I say he, it almost always is a he, not always, but almost always a he, knows they shouldn't be doing it, but can't stop doing it. That might surprise some people. Yes, I think I can. I think learning has a great deal to do with it. That the arousal occurs for some reason, whatever. It may be sexual, it may be non-sexual, it may be aversive, it may be painful. But that gets locked into, in some process we don't fully understand, a desire process, and it gets recalibrated as a positive incentive to be pursued. I think there's a great deal of mileage in that in terms of understanding things like fetishes, exhibitionism, possibly also, I'm sorry to have to mention this, but lust killing and things like this. I think that the arousal that came with the men who this is responsible for this horrific crime, at an early stage paired arousal of a negative with a negative cause with an emerging sexual desire, and they've interweaved in an unholy bond.